Hey Toolerinos. The Patina challenge thing has me a little bit confused. I think I understand the concept that all the tool restorations is throwing the tool universe out of balance. So we have to balance the restorations with RUSTorations by putting rust patina back onto things. But from my perspective, I have no shortage of rusty things to work on. That's what happens when you only buy or are given rusty junk that nobody else wants. But I like it. I like the challenge. I like waiting to see what's underneath all this. Hopefully someday this summer I'll get to this one. But this was from my father-in-law's garage. I actually have quite a lot of stuff from him that I need to make a video of. But this is an interesting pipe vise. It says number 1D, I think, on that side. And over there it just has an X. So, I don't know what brand that is. I haven't tried to look it up or anything. But, of course, the screw is frozen solid. The top bar is rusted solid. But it does still open and close, kind of surprisingly. So this joint is not rusted solid. But the jaws are there, so maybe it'll be a functional tool yet, if not a pretty tool. So, there you go. There's my Patina challenge entry. I decided to use my clean bench for my first box of the Junkman from down the road tools. It's mostly rusty stuff, which kind of fits with the whole Patina challenge thing. So here we go. Top of the box is Blu-ray player disc Rogue One. Oh, it looks great. I didn't know Blu-rays could rust. That might actually clean off and still play, if you don't mind that there's no label. Alright, what do we got? We have a pop rivet tool. It looks like it was a well-made one. Let's see if we can read anything on here. Taiwan. So, looks like it was a pretty decent tool. Maybe some time in Evaporust will make it functional. Not that I need another one of these, but if it cleans up and is nice, I can give it away. Alright, we have what appears to be a rusty knife that is made to look like it's made from an old railroad spike. Though I don't know if that's for real. I've never seen a railroad spike with these grooves in it. It was twisted or whatever. I don't know. Anybody know if that was really made from a railroad spike? I don't know. I doubt it. Whoa. Alright, they don't open. They're a mess. Probably not going to mess with those too much. Scissors. No obvious marks. They do not move. There again. Maybe these things will get a quick wire brush and dumped in a bucket of Evaporust for a week. Aha, blue handles. Are these channel locks? Can't say for sure. I mean, they are channel locks, you know, in how they work, but have to do some serious cleaning on those to know if they're really channel locks. But at least they move, so there's hope for those for sure. And we have a tie rod end separator or ball joint separator. Let's see if it rings. Yep, rings like a tuning fork. Alright, what do we have here? Irwin. I honestly have no idea. It's some kind of screwdriver thing. Very stiff detent ball there. I don't know if that's supposed to ratchet or what. Oh, there's definitely bits in it. I don't know. Yeah, some kind of screwdriver with bits inside, but maybe I'll give that to my son to tinker with. He likes a challenge. Oh, dirty, rusty junk. Oh, look at this. Do we have a gem? It's got the point and a rotten, apparently, screw, wood screw. Yeah, just rotten. Oh well. Not a gem. And what's this? A Torx. Huh, it's Husky brand. Are they all there? Yeah, they're all there. A little rusty, not too bad. That can definitely be fixed up. Ooh. Well, the switch still triggers. Oh, it's a super zoom focuser. Interesting. Well, it definitely has seen better days, but it might be salvageable. If the electronics inside aren't ruined. Oops. That looks like it was a fancy flashlight in its day. Maybe it'll still work. Oh my. Well, says Taiwan in here. There again, with a little wire brush and soak and evapor rust, it may be functional. Certainly won't be pretty. And we have a hammer. Interesting, it's all chipped up here. Fiberglass handle. The head's still on there pretty good. The rubber grip is still nice. A little chew down here at the bottom, but I've seen worse. A little damage there. I don't know. We could clean that up. Claw still works. Could at least clean it up and give it away. Crappy, rusty, back end's busted, no name screwdriver. Well, it was a lighter. It's got the little coil inside to glow so it doesn't blow out in the wind. Looks like it was some kind of fancy lighter. Made in... what does that say? Huh. Can't tell. Hang on. Okay, that's weird. It's like made in W21029. What the heck is that supposed to mean? If anybody knows what that's all about, let me know in the comments. Oh my. Hey, it moved a little. I saw a gap open up. Alright, well, those could clean up and possibly be good. Look, there's no light through the cutters, so they must be good, right? I don't know, they could clean up. Ooh, another interesting flashlight thing. Probably garbage. Here is a big half-inch looking Allen wrench or L wrench. Could be used for hex drive sockets. So That could be a good cleanup to have around. Got an oil filter wrench. Goes on the back of the metal oil filters. This has seen better days. Some kind of jewelry repair or making kit. These little pliers are, oh, okay, they closed. They're moving. Yeah, look pretty cheap. Another kit, looks like it's the same thing. Yep. And we got some utility blades. They're not all rusted. Yay! Huzzah! I could use those. Got a chisel. Wear safety goggles. That's all I see on it. Looks like it was barely used. Could use a little cleanup. Woo! A Lauren 75mm or 3-inch C-clamp. It's locked, won't spin. Man, that looks so off-center. It does not say made in USA, so I guess I'm not surprised, right? Some kind of driver tool. Got one of those hinge center punches. I think the spring is messed up inside, and this is very sharp back here. It's been hammered so many times. Well used. Alright, what are these things here? Alright, so it's made in USA, and it has a patent number. So I might be able to figure out what that is. Though I suspect it's damaged, whatever that is supposed to be. This one, I see USA. I don't see anything else. But look at the tip. This is supposed to push down and rotate. Alright, Reggie, you might want to avert your eyes because what you're about to see cannot be unseen. It looks like it was brand new hardware that was left to rust somewhere. And another bag of what was probably brand new hardware. Looks like it went with those bolts. It's washers and nuts. Alright, this is giving me an idea. They're new, so I know they're not damaged. If I put them in a rock tumbler just with sand for a week, I wonder if it would clean them all up and make them shiny like new. And then I could put them away in case I need them, right? I think I'll try that. Alright, that's the end of the first box. Many more to go. Probably mostly this rusty. So, no shortage of rust over here, guys.